Kufuneka sikhulume ngokufa kancane ngoba abantu bayithanda leyo topic. Iyaba-fascinate angazi noma ingoba vele bayazi ukuthi yona into abangeke bekwazi uku-escape leyo. Yabona ngizokubekela i-analogy yezo. Ukuze uyi-understand le nto ukuthi isebenza kanjani. Angithi uyabona ukuthi wena uphatha ifoni. Le foni yakho ake ngithi whether ifoni i-Apple noma i-Android. Kodwa into ecommon ukuthi kune-operating system phakathi lapho ekwenza ukuthi ukwazi ukusebenzisa lo phone, ungene kuma-files, ungene kuyona yonke into ofuna ukungena kuyona. Angithi uyayizwa leyo nto. So lo operating system ikwazi ukusebenza kanjalo ngoba kukhona le hardware le wena uthi phone yakho, yezwa. Uma ngabe le phone yakho le ilimala, ifa noma ingenwa amanzi, le operating system ayisayitholi indawo yokwazi ukwenza lento ekade iyenza yokumanifesta. Ngithi yezwa. And le operating system bekumele ukuthi ihambisane nale phone le yakho. Kusho ukuthi yini leyo? Ilento esithi i-configuration. Njengokuthi nje wena kumele kube ukuthi operating system oyiyona umuntu, i-consciousness yakho ithi umuntu khona uzokwazi ukungena emzimbeni wani womuntu ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akhasha othi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. So ke asibuke kanjena ke lento. Uma ngabe ukuthi ke i-operating system leyo othi kubi Android noma yakwe Apple kanjalo ayisenayo ifoni nakho, ifoni isingenwa amanzi noma ifoni isishile ngandlela thile, ayisenayo ke le operating system indawo ezokwazi ukuthi i-host, yezwa. Ayisawazi manje ukumanifesta isebenze like physically. But on the fundamental level, on the fundamental basis, yini kade yenzeka la? Bekwama codes lawo. Yes, lento kade uyibona wena uthi ama-file, ama-gallery, ama-settings, phone book, messages, yonke lento kade uyisebenzisa la wena. Bekade yama-code kodwa la ngaphakathi efonini yakho bekune-modulate, bi-modulate ifoni yakho lama-codes, wa-modulator ibese waveza njengento ozokwazi wena uku-engage nayo kodwa kuma-bases nje bekwama-coding, beyi-coding leyo, yabo. Bekungayona lento le wena oyibonayo. So ke into efanayo ke futhi nakhona la kwi-reality wena njengoba ukhona uyiyona i-operating system ela lo mzimba lo ufana nefoni. Uyiyona i-operating system e-conscious kodwa. Angithi yabo ukuthi ngeke uzwazi ukuthi izizwa kanjani le phone yakho, la le operating system yefoni yakho le uyisebenzisayo. Angeke uzwazi ukuthi izizwa kanjani, iyadinwa noma uyisebenzisa kakhulu lokhu icofoza noma udlala umusic mhlawumbe iyacikeka yini noma iyajabula, ngeke uzwazi ngoba ayikho emotional, ayikwazi, ayinayo consciousness, ayirizini, ayinakho ileyo ma-capabilities ke akuhlukanisayo wena between i-operating system ye-hardware le e-digital nelokhu njani noma ema-electrons nawe, yabo. Because wena u-conscious of your own existence. Ngithi yabo, yona yikho conscious of its own existence, yabo. Isebenza nje ukuthi iprogrammiwe kanje. So wena, that is why ke unamandla okwazi ukuphinde wena wenze lokhu kufunayo wena, yabo. Ngenxa ukuthi le izosebenza ukuthi yona iprogrammiwe kanjani and izobe isebenza ngalo ndlela, ayikwazi ukwenza ngenye indlela until futhi iphindwe i-reprogram ukuthi ayishintshela ama-files ke manje ukhala ungasabi yellow awube blue. Lo blue ngeke akuwona blue at the basic level, kuba i-code kodwa e-interpreteka as blue color. Nakuwe futhi kwenzeka into efanayo. Lento kwena ukuthi yenzeka la nangu le i-quantum computer le ngqondo yakho le, yabo. Zonke lezi zinto lezi othi wena zi-reality oyibonayo, oyizwayo, noyithintayo, noyinukayo, noyithestayo, lezo zinto zihamba ngokwelento ekuthiwa yini i-nervous system yakho. Yes, i-nervous system yakho iyona le transport information. Mase ifika la yenza ingqondo yenza lo msebenzi lo wenziwa ile phone ukuthi i-frequency modulator izoshintsha ama-frequencies, ngoba mubuka kanje kusuke kuza ama-frequency, kusuke kungeyona lento leyo wena oyibona lapha, kusuke kuze energetic frequency la, bese umqondo wakho wona ogenerator isithombe, ocollapsa ama-waves into lento leyo wena oyibonayo. Yayizwa loo nto? Kodwa fundamentally kusuke kwama-waves, kusuke kwama-frequencies. Ngithi yayizwa loo nto? But lama-frequencies ane-information encoded, bese ingqondo yakhe yafika iyawa-decoder, bese yenza uyiyona nawe ikhompyutha, uyiyona nawe ifoni. Ngaleyo ndlela niyafana ukuthi umehluko wena uconscious. Ngithi yayizwa loo nto? U-aware of your own existence. So that is the fundamental difference. So bese umbuzo omunye uthi-ke, pho-ke kuzokwenzekalani ke kwifoni mangabe seyingenwa amanzi noma seyi-broken kanjalo, la khona i-operating system ingasezukuba khona, yabo? Lana-ke akusho ukuthi iyaphela into uma ngabe kuwukuthi ayisekho i-hardware. Akusho ukuthi into iyaphela mangabe ingasekho i-hardware. Utshayibona loo nto? Into ebeyivele ikhona izoqhubeka ibe khona. So to extend this, singakuthatha sikise kwi-domain, yabo, la exista khona into ke sesingena manje kule nto ekuthiwa i-internet, ukuze lento singayi-localize, ngoba masi-localizer kanti i-consciousness is not local. I-consciousness is wide and infinite, yabo. So that is why ngena umzimba uyakwazi ukuxhuma phinde thathe on, ngena umzimba xume thathe on. So i-consciousness is wide, it is not localized la, ayipheleli la, ifana ne-internet. So kwi-internet mukuthi wena okay usudownload WhatsApp or noma usudownload Facebook, so ulogina as a-user, isiyahamba ifoni njalo sengikhuluma nge-app la, isiyahamba isiyoxhuma lapho kwi-server, kwi-host, isiphula lapha lo information ehambelana exactly naleyo user singenile la, sekuyangena futhi kwenye phone. Ngithi yabo? So that is why kukhona lezi zinto ekuthiwa ama-previous life wena lokungana relationship oba nawo ne-karma oba nawo ye-previous life. It's because on a soul level ikhona into ekuxhumanisa nani ne-previous life. Angithi yabo? Ikhona lento le eyini code nalento eyini ewumxhumanisi between this, even though this body may be new, but the soul that is here is not new. It has been there and it will always be there, but the relationship between the previous life and this current life is there on the soul level. That is why I was pull up information from the host to internet, uyibuyisele back la efonini. So ke uma ngabe ukuthi ke ifoni iyacisha, izinto ziyaqhubeka zi-existe kuyilokungano kwi-domain, ziyaqhubeka izinto zi-existe kwi-domain, ziyaqhubeka izinto zi-existe lapho kwi-host, yabo, until wena uze thenga ifoni, loge ini, ubuyisele yonke information, ngoba into yokukhila ilento yani yokuthi ubani wena, thini username, thini i-password. Then we are going to locate you accordingly. This is the information that you are going to access, because I cannot die now, come back to a new body through reincarnation, and then I find myself ngizobhekana ne-karma yakho wena omunye. No, kumele ukuthi into iwazi ukumlocate mina based on ukuthi which soul is this one, this soul was on which body. So that's how things are going to be narrowed, so that I'm able to come across my own karma based on my previous life. So into ekumele ukuthi uyazi take away ilento ukuthi if this hardware dies, no, the software does not die, yabo. It exists there, not in this fashion, not in this realm, but kwenye realm. But the thing is, because when you are conscious, yabo, because when you are conscious, it means still there'll be a consciousness there lapho kwenzeka khona lento ekuthiwa ikuphi kwi-astral